Okay.
His topic is robotic automation in geopolymer manufacturing.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm a part of the PhD student doing a project for the robotic vertical automations. Currently, we are working on the geopolymer, which will be using the waste material from the power plant to make bricks or other useful materials for constructions and buildings. And my part now, I'm basically from the robotic. I work for a robotic engineer for Champions for a US solar farm company in Singapore. So just giving a small example about the process how that goes currently. So basically what we do like the CNT waste, that's what I'm interested in to convert to the useful material. So there's some process called like acquisition of raw material. It's like we're collecting all the materials and then doing the batching works and writing the same. So that is the process that to add the strength for the polymers. Basically it's a aggregated material and then adding some activation activities like alkanes solutions and like other composition. So the main objective of this project is to get like the target is to reach zero carbon emission, but that has never happened in the whole world ever. But we're trying towards that at least to keep minimized to the lower level. So this is the objective of this project, but my level is to do this automation that is currently like there's no any automation plant in this total world in this project currently. Everyone know about the artificial intelligence we're talking about. So we're just trying to bring that part. That is a more interesting part. Everyone looking for it. All companies, all production process. So like what we're going to do, we call it like IoT, as Internet of Things. So this is very simple. I give a more explanation what I can give that, but it is just synchronizing all the process. I think the figure you can refer to that is just showing the emails, everything, and there's like a clouding, but it's very powerful tool in kind of research and development so that you can improve it. That is the another main objective of this research. So like I just show you this is what I'm interested in and my work is going there. It's like we call it like a batching process. So where we see here, this is the end material. You can see that as the truck is collecting, that's the end material. And the whole process, what I just shown in the schematic diagram, this is what it is. So I'm just giving a big picture. Don't be fear of it's just a schematic diagram. It shows how it works. And the main objective of this project, like monitoring and evaluation. So I think most of the production companies investing nearly more than 50% of their investment in the research and development of the project. Especially this is an international project and a lot of countries looking for it. The aim of this project is to make the construction material more cheaper, might be 50% to 80% less than what they're doing now. And yes, further analysis. So as we're collecting all this data, what we're going to do. So this is what the analyzing purpose. We're going to use it up. So apart from that, yes, it's my end of the slide, and that was my starting career in Silicon Company as this project. So thank you very much. Please welcome your questions.
Thank you, Matt. Time for questions?
Yes, please.
Thank you for this presentation. Monitoring and control obviously
trying to work on those pressure and problem currently going on, especially when you're using a fly ash, for example, just in our cooling plant. That's what we just handed you. You know how much that dust is affecting the human beings and all. So as we're dealing with health and environmental, so this plays a very, very important vital role for this project in all over the world. And it's never been anywhere implemented because of that issues currently going on. Like there's a lot of problem. It is not simple to explain it how it goes, but practically there is a lot of issues on it. So especially like we are trying to utilize the product which is thrown on the wastage. It's a waste material example. So yeah, I hope it's answering. Thank you. Space.
So, do you think, obviously the goal is for this to be implemented in a lot of places, do you think that the no queuing involvement will cause any apprehension? Or do you think people will be pretty keen to get more something that is entirely automated like that?
Yes, great, yeah. Especially you see that currently Western Australia, we're going through the scarcity, I can bring that well, like the construction. So the main problem, like they are saying, like shortage of skill. But another big problem is raw material. The price hike like anything. So the what Midland bricks, we bought it 2 years ago. It's double the price now. A little bit involved in that research. So it's $2.20 if I'm not wrong. It was 50 cents to 70 cents if you go with the bulk production. So it's a huge increase the price. So if I bring it, I promise to say it will cost more than 10 to 20 cents. And it could be a free project for the regional site. That's my request to my proposals. Once I succeeded in this, I don't like to claim any royalty in this one. I want to give free for the regional peoples. That's my community dedication. That's what I'm here, standing here. As I worked nearly 18 years in this field, and I'm offered a green card in America. Now it's not the time for me to go there. Still I'm thinking something I need to give back to this community, which I am the most. So hopefully I should be succeed for this. Thank you for your question.
Mukherjee? I have a question.
So I have one question about the product using geopolymer. You know, in concrete production, basically people try everything. One of the key issues is to what we transfer. It has a lifetime, let's say 50 or 60 years. What are the products from the weathering, erosion, corrosion of the concrete? Some of the concretes cannot be produced, for example, those that have carbon nanotubes, because there's a carcinogenesis in being held there. So are there research that follow up? If we put the geopolymer, what's going to be the product of the concrete piece?
Yes, yeah, great, yeah. It's more about the geopolymer on the chemical side, but it's really a very important question to answer the community before we start producing this product. Yes, we are undergoing a lot of research currently, like some of the samples we already submitted, but still we didn't get the answers and all, but I believe that we're having a good team of nearly 5 researchers working on it, including the Curtin University, 2 students from there, and they are from that geopolymer. So hopefully we will work on that. I don't have answer now for these questions, but yes, surely in the future we'll get that. Thank you so much.
So I have one last question. So vertical integration is applicable to many other manufacturing processes. Why you choose geopolymer production as a target for your project? And is there any geopolymer production in France or the application in Australia?
Yeah, great, yeah. That's simple, very simple. I can say like the cement currently they are using, that is the raw material to build up based on, for example, if they want to build a bridge, they need to know how many kilopascals or pressures on the weight need to withstand. That's where the derivation comes from. But for us, like the raw material should be reusable one, which is something this planet says is a waste. So my target, I went to the cooling plant in Western Australia. They are burning the coal, and this look like like a mountain there. If anyone go on Google still, you can view that on the Google view. It's a hill. You can see some hill around the Kudi plant. It's not a hill, that is the waste material. It's not only those materials I am talking here. There's a lot of materials we are thinking about. So this is one of the major materials in Western Australia. I want to reuse it because of the cost of the material. This is zero cost for me. Even if I want to set a production plant, the first plant going to be near to the Kudi. That's what we already suggested to the government. We are working with the government currently. So it's $1 million, like not one, like 35 million something at this stage. The government happy to give some support for this project, but there's a big to do because this is the initializing cost and this is the cost we are investing. But surely this can be useful to the public and the community. So the main focus of